Welcome back. In this video I will show you some of my grown out discus. They are very colorful and I am intending to sell some of them to buy another breeding pair. So if you want, you can buy it from me. I will drop the Google Pay number in the video description. So let's get started and view some of the beautiful discus fish I have. Okay, this is my discus fish grown out tank with the frosted glass background, and I have some pairs like the blue diamond pair. I have a blue diamond pair. I had a red melon pair, but one of the discus died, and rest all the discus are from this parent in the breeding tank. These are the two parents, this one and at the back one. These two were pairs, and these all are their children. They are about 1 year old. So I'm intending to sell some of them, like this one with the wild strap. This one is very good, and this one is very small discus. It has not grown out till now. It is very small. I don't know why. Maybe some of the genetic problems had caused the problem. Anyway, I'm intending to sell the healthy discus like this one and one at the back, and this one are also grown out. This one is also the child of that two pair, and this one also, and this one, and this one, and this one also. So the price of the discus will be based on the color pattern. Like this one will cost around 2000 and 3000, and that one with more blue pattern like this one, it has more blue pattern, so it will cost around 4000 Indian rupees. This one will be cheap, around 2000. This one will also be 2000, and this one also be 2000. I have kept some more cleaner fish like this one, platies. They help to clean the waste in the tank, and it is very beneficial. And I have currently now the what is this called, the internal filter. I am intending to install an external filter because it is more efficient in cleaning and keeps the water clean for a long duration. So this aquarium didn't have any light, so I had one Venus lighting system from Venus. It is very long LED light, as you can see. Probably I will install that lighting system in another grower tank that I will build very soon. I will build a cabinet also for this. I will remove all this iron stand and build a cabinet. So the cabinet will cost depending on the material used. Like if you use the marine plywood, then it is much cheaper than other varieties of cabinet. You can also install like the acrylic cabinet and all that. Acrylic cabinet looks very neat like glass, but it is bit weak, so you have to support some wooden pieces underneath the cabinet. And that's all. I will upgrade this aquarium very soon. So I posted a poll about what I will do next for my YouTube channel. So most of them voted on building a breeding tank for discus, but I think first we have to build a aquarium gallery. I am intending to build a separate building to that side so that the gallery will have more space, and then I can accommodate more aquariums like the racks and all that things. So the more colorful the discus fish is, the more will be the cost. Like I said earlier, this blue pattern will cost around 4000 rupees. And if you breed this with another discus, it will bring out more color. But the color will depend on the genetics. It may give more color or it may hide the color. It is all dependent on the genetics. This one is around 3000 rupees. So if nobody is buying the discus from me, then I will sell some of this, and I have got a breeding pair in the nearby shop. It is completely some wild color, blue colored breeding pair, so I will buy that. It will cost around 10,000 rupees, so I will sell about 4 of them and give 2,000 rupees, then I will get that breeding pair. But I need a breeding rack also. After building the gallery from here, I will build a aquarium rack for breeding discus somewhere around here, and I'm also intending to build a pond for growing the aquatic plants like this one. I like this one. They are growing inside a still water. There are some mosquito in larvae around here. Anyway, these are easy to grow Java fern. It can be grown in any discus tank. It is very good. They grow very easily. Now this is a separate tank for keeping discus that are not growing very fast. It has an heater and a cleanup crew of apple snake and 2 rainbow fishes. They will clean the waste that is produced. And these are the discus. Gladly, some of the discus is showing blue color, so it is a good news because I can sell them for more money because the pattern is very, means what we call exotic. The only problem, you have to find a good buyer that are willing to pay for it. Okay, you can buy this one also. It is alone, that the red melon discus, or what we call that the red valentine discus, I suppose. So it is at the back somewhere around here. Yeah, this one. You can buy this one also. So I will wait for a couple of days, maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. Then if nobody is buying from this website or from online, then I will sell them to the local store. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give this video a like and share it with your friends. And do subscribe and turn on the bell icon to get notified when I upload my next video. See you in the next one. Bye and take care.